Hi, Ashley here, founder of Oak & Ash. In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble the BEKA Deluxe weaving frame. So the Deluxe weaving frame, it comes with two kickstand legs, a top beam, a bottom beam, the two side beams that are the notched side beams, a hardware pack with the wing nuts and bolts, and then the weaving tools are a pickup stick, a stick shuttle, and a weaving needle. Step one is to set up your side pieces in the top and bottom beam, making sure that your side pieces, the two holes, are both on the same end. And then the notch side up, you set this on top. So then you'll grab your 4 screws and you'll begin screwing the 4 screws into each corner. To attach the 2 kickstand pieces, place them on the inside, and you'll take one of your bolts, 1 washer, and 1 wing nut for each side, and you just simply place that in the end there. So it's a basic assembly with simply screwing in 4 screws and then the 2 bolts and wing nuts on the sides of the kickstand. And once that's all together and set up, you are ready to start weaving.